Today, I will show you how you can quickly build an app using ChatGPT in seconds. First, let's engage ChatGPT. We will ask it if it can help us create a game app. If you don't have any app idea, we can ask ChatGPT to suggest a game app for us. Now, ChatGPT has provided us with a list of suggested apps. Let's go ahead to choose the Endless Runner game and ask it to build one for us. ChatGPT has provided the steps to create the app, but let's further engage it to provide the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for us. ChatGPT has provided a framework for the code, but we need the actual code. So let's further ask it to generate the actual code for us so that we can use it directly without any major adjustments. Let's copy this code and head onto codeapen.io to test our code. Click on Start Coding. Paste the full code in the HTML dialog box. Drag the base to check if it is running. All right, the game is running fine. We can add more functions to the game by engaging ChatGPT. We can make it more visually appealing, too. But first, let's head on to download cool images for the background, player, and stacks. After downloading our free images, you will need to generate links for the images, since ChatGPT cannot directly read images. So we head on to postimages.cc to generate our links for the images. Click on Choose Images and Upload. Copy the generated links for each image and paste it in ChatGPT. Ensure to identify each link properly for the player, the stacks, or obstacles and background, so it will be easy for ChatGPT to regenerate the code with the improved visuals. So let's ask it to regenerate the codes with the provided links using this prompt. Let's test the code. Now you see we have a more visually appealing game. You can keep improving or create more functions to the game by asking ChatGPT to add more functions. A link to the code has been provided in the description below this video, so you can copy and ask ChatGPT to add more functions to it, and it will do so. Once done, you can save your code using your computer notepad as a .html file. You can go to your file folder to access your game anytime. Here is our saved game. You can upload your game online using tiny.host. Just register and sign in, then upload your game. Add your app title. Now, we can play the game online. We can also publish the game on various app stores, both Android and iOS, so that we can make some cool cash from it. All you need to do is to convert the web link into an app. So head on to Web into App website. All the necessary link you need has been provided in the description below. So we are going to copy our app link and paste it in the webintoapp.com. Provide a name for the app. Click the next button. Click on Make App. Register to download your app for free. Download your app. You can then publish your downloaded app on Google Play Store or iOS Store and begin to make money from it. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more insights like this. Thank you so much for watching.